Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable Discord soundboard. So let's get into the video. Open up Discord and log into your account if you have not. So once you are here, so just open up a server that you wish to enable the soundboard for. So just for example here I'm just going to use this server, and then hit on the server and then go to the server settings here. So click on the server settings, go for it, and then now on your left side panel here, select soundboard, click on soundboard, and then now what you're going to do, you're going to hit on upload sound. So click on upload sound, and what you're going to do is simply search for a sound that you wish to add or enable. So for example here, let me just get one. So for example, okay, I'll just choose this. Okay, so just choose it, and then here you can just trim it on based on which how long the duration or the part that you want. So you can just get that done. Okay, so once that's done, so that's the file name, everything else is fine. You can add a file name to this, so I'll just do that. Okay, so once that's done, and then you can add an emoji if you want, and the volume also you can select if you want. And then once that's done, so what are you going to do? So simply, once everything is done, you have selected, all you have to do is simply hit on upload. When you click on upload, so this will be added to your soundboard, and then that will enable you to use this soundboard. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video.